ओम साई राम, ओम साई श्याम, ओम साई भगवान।
साई राम साई श्याम साई भगवान, शिरडी के दाता सबसे महान।
साई राम साई श्याम साई भगवान, शिरडी के दाता सबसे महान।
करुणा के सागर दया निधान, शिरडी के दाता सबसे महान।
साई राम साई श्याम साई भगवान, शिरडी के दाता सबसे महान।
साई चरण की धूल को माथे जो लगाओगे, पुण्य चारों धाम का शिरडी में ही पाओगे। होगा तुम्हारा वही कल्याण, शिरडी के दाता सबसे महान।
साई राम साई श्याम साई भगवान।
Sai Ram everyone. Om Sriman Mahaganaadhipataye Namaha, Sri Mahasaraswatye Namaha, Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara. Guru Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Sai Ram all devotees. Yesterday and today and tomorrow we are celebrating Sai Temple 3rd anniversary program. So we are doing yesterday we done Lakshmi Ganapati Homam in the temple, and today we done the Dattatreya Abhishekam and Dattatreya Havanam. Today is the Sai Mela is going on outside, a lot of cultural events with kids and adults, and also we are going to running the blood drive in the temple, inside the temple, to save the lives. And we already installed here 108 kalashas. So all these kalashas is going to Abhishekam tomorrow at 11 o'clock. So all the devotees please come and participate in the Sai Temple San Antonio 3rd anniversary program. And all the kalashas everybody can carry and do the pradakshina tomorrow and do the Abhishekam to Baba. This is the 3rd anniversary. Tomorrow we have Baba Abhishekam and Sai Datta Homam, Mahapurnahuti. Every year we are celebrating the Sai Mela and anniversary program together. So we are running the Sai Mela outside, a lot of kids events and along with a lot of Indian food items. Everybody they are enjoying, and a lot of devotees they are coming and taking the darshana and giving the blood to save the lives and everything. Thank you. Please everyone participate in the program. Sai Ram. Thank you.
जो लगाओगे, पुण्य चारों धाम का शिरडी में ही पाओगे। होगा तुम्हारा वही कल्याण, शिरडी के दाता सबसे महान।
साई राम साई श्याम साई भगवान, शिरडी के दाता सबसे महान।
कोई शहंशाह उनको कहे, शिव का ही तो रूप है। छाया है वो धर्म की, संतान, शिरडी के दाता सबसे महान।
साई राम साई श्याम साई भगवान, शिरडी के दाता सबसे महान।
And we have next Sumita Modalia and Soumya Kannan making an announcement regarding that.
सदा शिव मंगलांग मुरलीरव मोहन शंभो हर हर सांब सदा शिव परमेश्वर वर भक्त
అదివో అల్లదివో శ్రీహరివాసము పదివేలు శేషుల పడగలమయము అదివో అల్లదివో శ్రీహరివాసము
सुरेश्वरं निधीश्वरं गजेश्वरं गणेश्वरं महेश्वरं तमाश्रये परात्परं निरन्तरं समस्तलोकशङ्करं निरस्तदैत्यकुञ्जरं दरेतरोदरं वरं वरे भवात्रमाशरम्।
representing the 9 types of devotion.
King Parikshit exemplifies the first method of devotion, listening to the glories of God. King Parikshit converted a curse into blessings by listening to the glories of the Lord.
Meera was so much absorbed in her devotion to Krishna that she would sing and dance with ecstasy in the palace or in a crowded bazaar.
Om Namo Narayana. God, who envelopes the entire cosmos, dwells in the heart of his devotee. Hearts of devotees are the grandest things in creation. Om Namo Narayana.
I love calling Krishna as Giridhari, the mountain holder. This gives me immense joy, more than any other name. Hey Giridhari.
The third path of devotion is contemplating on Vishnu. This is greatly understood from Prahlada and Shabri.
Shabari, a tribal devotee, received blessings for her deep devotion. Shabari's heart became Rama's heart.
O Father, I summarize the essence of all Vedas in one sentence. Om Namo Narayana. Father, when your heart is full of anger, lust, jealousy, attachment, ego, how do you expect to see God? God is everywhere. Om Namo Narayana.
O Rama, my long-cherished desire has been fulfilled. I have been waiting for your arrival day and night.
The easy way is surrendering at the feet of the Lord. This path of devotion highlights the attitude of Seva. Vishnu's feet were worshipped by Bharata through Rama's sandals.
Har Gange, Har Gange, Har Gange. What a surprise, Baba. Only your head is drenched. Whole body is dry. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya.
The seventh path of the devotion is service.
She would cook food for Baba.
Sita Mata gave me a pearl necklace as a gift. There is no sound of Rama in each pearl. I do not want anything to remain on me if it did not produce the sound of Rama.
I will offer bread and milk daily with love and devotion to Baba.
The eighth form of devotion is friendship.
So please give a big round of applause to all of us, including Ramaji. Ramaji, please come. For organizing this, putting this thought together, writing it down. She's done an amazing job. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Ramaji.
Thank you, Kalalaya School and Ramya, for a beautiful performance to end our Sai Mela 2022. With all your support, today we raised around 66,000. But as you guys see, our need to complete parking project is 350,000. So please be generous and continue to support us. Every little bit counts. So please continue to support. And this campaign is open through 2023. You can donate online. You can also use QR code to donate and set up recurring donations as well. If you need any additional information, please reach out to one of the volunteers. Thank you so much. Have a great rest of the weekend. Thank you.
Om Sai Ram.